Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I did the Senegalese twist on myself. I'm going to be using the even braid formula. I did use the expression hair to do the braids, and these are leftover curly hair from my collaboration with Hot Braids. So I did do this off camera because this was my first time doing this. To be honest, I have never done this before. It was my first time attempting the twist. I've always done box braids and I've never done a twist like this, the Senegalese twist. So I said let me try. So I did the rest of my hair off camera, and then I just wanted to show you guys this. So first I part a square and then I braid it like not halfway down, like an inch or so down, just enough so when I crochet the braid in, it will stay and not unravel. So I am not doing thick braids at this time, so I crochet that piece in, and I cannot twist from the roots, at least not yet. So I am taking a small piece of the hair and I'm just gonna wrap it around the way you would wrap it like when you're doing a lock. So when you're doing faux lock, then I'm just gonna wrap it around like that so that it stays, and then I'm going to loop the hair around my finger and make a knot. So I wrap it enough until I feel like I've had it secure enough, and then I make a knot so it stays, it's not going anywhere. To do the twist, I just section my hair and the braid in two. I did put some of the braided formula on my hair and on the braid, and I'm just twisting as usual. For these twists, I don't know how you call it, something like rope twist. It's a little tighter than a regular twist, but I did not do them extremely tight. Again, it was my first time and this was like trial and error for me. So yeah, it wasn't gonna come out perfect. And if you guys are wondering why it's spacey in my hair or the braids don't look like a lot, it's because my hair is fine. Naturally, I have fine hair, so at this time I did not want to add too much synthetic hair to my hair because I don't want the tension to be too much. I don't want it to be too heavy, and I don't want it to pull on my hair, so I opted not to put that much hair in it. I like it light. The last time I went to get my hair braided years ago, the hair was too much. It pulled on my hair, I lost all my edges, and I'm not about to do that to myself. So to add the curly pieces, I just take a piece, and when I'm almost at the end of the twist, I just twist it in, just a regular twist it in. And then once I get to the end of the braid, or where I'm satisfied that it's locked in, I will make a knot and I will tie that curly hair in at the base of the braid. I hope that makes sense. I hope I'm explaining it to you guys. I set out to do boho braids like that. I'm making the knot right there, and then we're going to have the curly hair right here. So this is a curly hair. I gotta cut the ends off. In all honesty, this curly hair wasn't bad, but I didn't like the ends and it sheds a lot. Everywhere I go, pieces of my hair are falling out. It's everywhere, all over the house. So this is my second attempt at showing you guys how to do it. Again, me say me and a braider like that. Me no use to the twist on them something there. So me just try this out for the first time. So I braid a little bit, braid the base for like an inch or so, just to make sure it's secure enough and it will not slide out or unravel, right? Then I'm gonna take a little piece of the hair, of the braiding hair, just a little piece, you don't need too much, and then I'm going to wrap the base of my hair to make sure that it's secure, similar to when you're doing a faux lock, just to make sure it won't come out, won't unravel, stuff like that. When I feel like I've had enough, I will do a knot and make sure that that is secure and it won't come out. At this point, I don't know how I'm gonna take them out, but we will see. So again, I do add the braiding gel to my hair, and then I just twist like a regular rope twist kind of thing, kind of vibe, something like that. Guys, I actually initially wanted to do boho Senegalese twist or boho or island twist. Yeah, I wanted to do island twist, but I was too lazy to braid the curly hair in. Well, I should have done that, but I told myself I was going to crush them in. You see, when me done the ear, me couldn't bother if crush nothing in, so me just left them as it is. Just the curly ends, and that it. So you guys see how I put the hair in at the end. I wait until I have a little to twist, then I just feed in the curly hair to the end of it, and then that is how I do it. I make a knot at the end, and then I have the curly piece at the end, and yeah, that's how I do it. Right here, it's all done. Like I said, I don't want it heavy. I just want it to be as natural as possible, and I'm gonna hot water it, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what it looks like. So this is it, hot watered. Again, me no want to hold up here in my head, so no come tell me say thin or me should add more braids, because I don't want to because it's gonna be too heavy. And again, this is my first attempt, so again, it's not gonna be perfect. Trial and error. Things I should have done differently, I don't know yet. I'll figure that out. Right now, it's been a week or so, 2 weeks, and I'm still wearing it, so it came out good. So this is a week after I did the braids, and this is what it's looking like currently. It's holding up, the base is holding up, everything is going good. I basically wear the hair in a pony every day, because that's how I have to wear my hair for work. Just put it in a pony. That's what the ends are looking like. To refresh the ends, I just use the curl activator spray, and I spray it on the ends, and that's what they look like. I really like these twists. They came out pretty nice. I was a little skeptical, but it was okay. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, if there's anything you want to try, just go ahead and try it. It might not be perfect, but hey, at least you try. See y'all later. Peace. Keep slaying, queens. Bye.